how to use our Maryland Digital Library. Go to our Allegheny College homepage and click on My ACM. Come down to Library Online and Databases, Online Databases. Okay, if you are prompted to put in a password and login, it's the same as your Brightspace and your Office 365. Each link is a database of articles. It's Academic Search Premier and some others that you may be familiar with. So each link is a storing house of documents. The reason these are legit documents is they're really helpful because they are triple checked. They are either professional or scholarly articles. Okay, so an example might be, of course, local newspapers, criminal justice, if that's the area you're going for, education journals. ERIC is a really good general resource if you don't have something that you think falls neatly under one of these other categories. Notice how much it says it has, 317,000 full text documents. All right, so let's say you're doing something related to literature. I could click on that and, ooh, a bit slow here. I could enter my search terms based on any of these other search terms right here. So this would be a good place to maybe do some literature. Definitely click on full text. Might recommend peer reviewed. It just depends on what the item is. Okay, I'm going to go back because I want to show you a few other things that I just find super about this source. So let's say I go to ERIC, which is an acronym, and I know I want a full text article, and I might have an idea of, let's see, let me just type something in here. Let's type in online dating during a pandemic. Let's see what we get. Yep, I knew it. Okay, managing a bird flu pandemic. Okay, global internet pandemic. So we have lots of things here. Make sure, again, if I clicked on this, it would be a full text article. Let me show you one of my absolute favorite things about this, that I have all of my information right here, number of references. I know it's triple checked before it is published. I can come over here and I can click Cite if I do decide it's something I want to open. And then after reading it, I'm like, oh, perfect, this is going to help me. So I can click on that site and I can find my APA, and look, isn't that beautiful? I could copy and paste that right in. However, those of you who are familiar with APA, you would know that there are some problems with this, right? So the last name and the initials correct, the date, inside parentheses with a period, correct. However, this is incorrect. In APA, the title of an article is lowercase except for the first word, which is very frustrating for students. This is correct. The journals, if it's a journal, a textbook, if it is a website, this is correct. Italicized and all capitalized. Okay, good luck.